The all-new Bose Frames Alto by Bose.
Bose Alto Frames has two available size from small to medium and medium to large frames.
Frames Alto with Bose AR. Unboxing. What is inside the box? Let's find out.
Inside the box it includes magnetic carrying case, small pouch bag for charging cable.
It comes with the gold-plated magnetic charger cable to USB. Manual, the user guide. Important and safety instructions.
Can download and compatible with Apple and Google Play Store.
The Bose Alto has a built-in speaker. It produces rich, immersive sound and open-ear audio experience that leaves you free to. Battery charging time is 2 hours and battery life is up to 3.5 hours of streaming music playback. Charging the frames with the charging port on the right temple. Make sure the pins are oriented correctly with the charging port. Status light blinks white. Do not wear the frames while charging. Other end to a USB wall charger or computer. When the battery is fully charged, the status light glows solid. First you need to download Bose Connect Plus to your Google Play Store. Tap the Terms of Use and License Agreement, then sign in or log into your Facebook account. Select the country and grant location access. Click Allow only while using the app. Click Allow access through Bluetooth pairing requests. Once you are connected, select the language you desire by pressing Continue, then enter your Bluetooth device name. Connect a different mobile device as you can see on your phone.
Once you are connected, you will hear the sound.
Connected to Sherwin's Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G.
Bose Frame are now set up and ready to use. And enjoy the sound of music while wearing it.
Push the side button, enable answer and ready for phone calls. To increase the volume sounds by holding and pressing the power button to the right. Then turn your head to the left to reduce the volume button. Press once to activate the power on and it will tell you the battery percentage and instantly connected to your phone.
Battery 100%. Connected to Sherwin's Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G.
Press 1 can pause and play your song or accept and end the calls. Double click to skip the song, triple click to go back the song, and hold down to activate voice assistant. To power off by flipping the frames upside down for 2 seconds. The frames are IPX2 water resistant, which means they will survive a quick splash, but are not meant for going underwater. Bose Frames Alto with AR by Bose. If you found this video is useful, make sure to subscribe to my channel at Click Couple Traveler by clicking on that button. And also click that bell icon on that side to make sure you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.